Hello dear, welcome to my channel. We will discuss about some of the most frequently asked question in the UK student visa interview. Before we move ahead, you are requested to please like and subscribe my channel and help me create more videos. Let's start. Why do you want to study in the UK? I think UK is the best place to study. They have some great universities in the world. Some of the best research are done here. Which other colleges or universities have you considered before choosing this university? Name some colleges and universities. How did you find about it? You can say one of friends suggested this college. Why did you choose this university? I will suggest you to do some research and list out pros. You can say their MS department is very good. The university is known for research on this field. You can also say I am a big fan of this professor and want to learn from him. Why don't you stay here and study? The university has much reputation in international publication. I think this will be an opportunity for me to learn from them. I will also get global exposure. Where is the college or university located? Tell the address of the university you have selected. How will this course suit your future career? You can say something like this: I am really passionate about artificial intelligence. There are not many experts on this subject here. So if I do this course in the UK, I will get good exposure and it will help me here in India to find good job. How much are you expecting to get salary after doing this course? This is not a popular question, but the visa officer may ask this. You can find out in the internet about salaries related to your course. Which city your university is located. The officer may also show you the UK map and ask to point in the map. You should be easily point in the map where your university is located. Where will you live during your study? Our recommendation is, you should book student accommodation with the university. Do you know anyone who has already studied there? If you know someone, then tell honestly. It will definitely have positive impact. Do you know roughly how large the college or university is? You can easily find the answer for this question in the university website. Why did you choose this course and how does it relate to your previous study? For example, if you have applied for higher education in computer science, you can say I have done my graduation in computer science and if I do this course I will get good exposure to the outside world as well, knowledge from good faculties, and it will definitely help me finding good jobs in this competitive market. How do you explain the gaps in your study and professional history? Everyone may have different reason for this. If you have gaps in study or professional career, please prepare your answer that would look realistic and convincing. What is the relevance of the course to your future career path? A certificate from international universities and international exposure will help me find good job in this competitive market. What qualification will you receive? Please tell the name of the degree you will get from the university. How did you get the documents for interview? My college has sent me all the relevant documents. Who made the appointment for the interview? Myself. How long does the course last? Again, this is a very straightforward question. Just tell the duration of your course. Did you consider any other course? No. Does this course offer any professional recognition? Yes, a master's degree is needed for promotions in most of the companies. Are you planning to stay in the UK? No. I would like to come back to my country after completion of the course. Are you thinking of transferring to another institution on completion? No. What facilities are you expecting at the college or university? You can say something like hostel facility, canteen, etc. Do you know the cost of accommodation? Yes. Please tell the officer cost of accommodation roughly. What fees are included in the accommodation fees? Answer accordingly. Do you need a meet and greet service? No. Do you understand the responsibilities of students entering the UK under Tier 4 of the PBS? Yes. What is your current occupation? Answer accordingly. Do you have relatives who have studied at a similar level or studied overseas? Answer accordingly. Do you think your course is appropriate for someone your age? Yes. Who is financing your studies? Tell the officer if your parents are financing or you have taken loan to finance your studies. Why will your parents finance you? I am the only son and they have savings for my studies as well as for their retirements. What is the profession of your financial sponsor and what relationship they have to you? The officer may ask this question if your financer is not your parents or yourself. So just answer honestly about your financer. How much your financial sponsor earn in a year or month? Answer accordingly. Is there any other dependent of your financial sponsor? No. Do you have evidence of the financial status of your financial sponsor? Show bank statements for last 6 months, bonds, investments, etc. of your financer to the officer. Can you prove the money is available for study? Show the bank statements or bank loan documents. Would you be able to pay your tuition fees in full up front? Yes. Have you checked the refund policy? Yes. Do you know what your accommodation will cost in the UK? Yes. Do you know how much your living expenses will be? Yes. Tell the officer some rough amount. Do you know whether you are entitled to work part-time in the UK? Do some research and also ask your universities about these things and answer accordingly. Do you know how many hours are you allowed to work? Yes. Do you know the likely hourly rate of pay? Yes. How reliant are you on being able to work? I want to mainly focus on my studies. I have enough balance in my account to cover all the expenses. So, I'm not much interested to work while studying. What do you think about the UK? I think UK is one of the best places to study. They have some great universities in the world. Some of the best research have been done there. Will there be any language or communication issue for you? No, I am very good in English and it was taught to me since I was 7 years old. I have all my courses in English. Once you are back, what kind of job will you get? Do some research and find out what kind of job will suit your profile once you are back. Why are you scared? First thing, be confident. There is nothing to be scared of. If the officer asks, simply say, "No sir, I am not scared," and keep smiling face. If you run out of money in the UK, how will you manage? I have enough balance in my account to cover all the expenses. So this situation will not arise. Will you come back from UK and why? Yes, I will come back. I have my family and friends here. With this course I can find a good paying job here. What will you do after coming? I will find a job based on my education and experience. This course will definitely help me to get good job. Have you ever been to UK? If yes, simply say yes, otherwise no. How long will you stay in the UK? After finishing my course, I will come back. Do you have any family member in UK? You don't need to explain. You can simply say no. No one is going to check your family record. What is your qualification? You can say something like, "I have done my graduation in computer science." Do you have experience in this field? Tell the officer about your experience if you have any experience, or simply say, "I just finished my college." What is your highest degree? Bachelor's. Can I see your degree certificates? Yes, please show the certificates to the officer. These were the sample student visa interview questions and answers asked at UK consulate around the world. Go through each question and do some research about the college or university you are applying for. You can get all the information in the university website. All the best for your interview. You can comment if you need any help. Be confident and keep a smiling face and answer politely. You are requested to please like and subscribe my channel and help me create many such videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.